Hello, Spirit Boosters. I am sharing with you medium size haul. Yes, I had a haul yesterday. Yes, I'm still having computer problems, but I am working between my my devices. Cause I got troubles over here, but I'm doing the best I can. And if I can make me a new trailer, rigging up some stuff, being what am I? A jack of all trades and a master of nothing when it comes to these computer devices, but I'm gonna have it figured out soon. So anyway, I'm gonna get into this haul. But y'all see back there, I got some Swahili. Swahili. Y'all know what I'm imitating, like on The Color Purple, where she was going, Natty, Natty. And that sound like the Swahili. Swahili. Am I pronouncing that fish right? Anyway, I'm just silly. Anyway, so we got some Swahili. I know a lot of people don't eat it. They say stuff is got this, that, and the other. But since I'm sharing stuff about food, contaminated food, we got some. Well, there's a lot of food issues, some serious food issues going on nowadays. Allegedly, you gotta say that. But anyway, Swahili tilapia ain't no better than all the rest of the junk that's in plastic, because everything got something going on with it. So you eat at your own risk. Pray over your food. That's all I can tell you. But we got I got that Swahili. I got that my husband got some white shrimp. And y'all know this is my husband's grocery haul right here. And he got that tilapia. It was on sale at Food for Less, $9.99. I guess that's 3 pounds. The shrimp is a 2 pound. It was $9, he said. And the Swahili is a, what is that, 2.5 pound bag. I think he said $12, $13, something. But anyway, and we got some pork, the plastic pork. Remember that? If y'all watch my previous video, remember I told y'all, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video I put out on the 18th, 10/18/21. That's when I put it out. And you'll know what the heck I'm talking about. Plastic pork. It's right here. We got spare ribs. I'm going to clean them up, slice them, and do them all proper, make them look like baby backs. But y'all know it's the difference between them baby backs and these spare ribs. Because spare ribs, ooh, they greasy. But they taste as hell. I think I might even cook me a little piece. Because today we having some barbecue baked chicken. I'm opening up some of them cans of weenie beanies. And I'm making a potato salad. And a slice of bread on the side. That's what we having. Yes, yes, yes. And anyway, what else I'm trying to tell y'all? Am I losing my train of thought? That's when my amnesia kick in. But anyway, I got some of this. Today is the last day to sell at Food for Less. The sales change. They end on Tuesday, and you get a new sale on Wednesday. So my husband shopped the end of the sale day. It's today, Tuesday, and he got the Crisco oil was 2 for $5. Now y'all probably think, well, Jenny, don't you have plenty oil sold? But anyway, what I'm really trying to say is my husband go through that oil because we fry something every week. And my oil, I should show y'all the stash, but I don't feel like going over there right now. But I don't know. I could interrupt this video and go on over there, but I don't think so. Let me just tell y'all. My oil is getting low, so I just got these 4 canola Crisco. Some reason, I don't like that vegetable. Crisco is kind of funny and strange. Sometimes it be all greasy. That's why I use that a different kind of oil. Let me say it that way. And right here, y'all see this Nestle's? I just told y'all about some Nestle stuff. And here I got a Nestle product. Y'all ever had this Nestle's chocolate right here? It's some huge round tablets in here. Wait, let me share it with you. Let me share. Hold on. Is this one not open? This one ain't open. Wait, where the one that I open? I'm trying to. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Look, there's one right there. It look like a big ass Alka-Seltzer. If y'all ever had this chocolate and know how to use it, let me know. Because I'm an experiment. I never had. I want to try it. So let me put the rest of this food up here, because This is not all that he bought at the store. I only could put so much up here, and this is just all this meat. So right now, hold on, let me get the rest of the food. Okay, Spirit Boosters, I'm back with the rest of this haul. My husband picked up him some convenient biscuits, and y'all know what I mean, convenient biscuits. He got some Grands. One is a Southern, what is that? Southern home style, and he got some flaky layers, convenient biscuits. And also, I told y'all about the end of the sale today. The butter at Kroger was $1.88, and I got me two more, and I got one salted, one unsalted, and one salted butter. And the enchilada sauce was 3 for $5. This sauce is good until I believe the end of the year. I believe. Wait, hold up. I'm tripping. Wait, hold up. The date on this? No, I'm sorry. Sorry, people. I had to correct myself. Because the end of the year is 2 months away, right? No. It's the end of next year. This sauce is good. The enchilada sauce. They were on sale 3 for $5. Yes, they were. Oh, let me mention some things since it's October, pumpkin time of the year, fall. Do you guys know, if you do, let me know in the comments, the reason for different color pumpkins? Okay, let me share some stuff I seen while I was on the internet. An article sharing why some pumpkins are colored. The colors and stuff like that. Well, anyway, do you guys know teal colored pumpkins is for you to recognize that kids have food allergies, so you don't want to give them candy, like they have an allergy against. If they eat it, they'll have a breakout. So that's what the teal color pumpkin is for, to make you aware of children with allergies. Blue pumpkins spread awareness for autism, blue pumpkins. And green, wait a minute, what I had on there? Stop. Sorry about that interruption. But what was I saying? I was explaining y'all about the color of the pumpkins. Okay, we have purple. Wait, no, not that. Okay, pink is breast cancer. If you see a pink pumpkin, breast cancer awareness. And purple pumpkins raise awareness about epilepsy. If y'all heard of these things, let me know in the comments. If you know more information about colored pumpkins, please share. We need each other to help share information. Keep everybody informed. Some good goings and owns and what's happening. That's right. And also, if you guys see people with green porch lights on, that means they're showing appreciation for veterans. If you see a green porch light. And one more thing, if you see a purple painted fence post, that means no trespassing in some areas in the country. So if y'all heard of any of these things, please share in the comment section. That's just some stuff I just want to throw in because I found it quite interesting. If y'all think that's interesting, let me know in the comment section. But anyway, let me get back to this haul. My husband also picked me up some more of the cream style glory skillet corn. It's delicious. I love it. I think I'm going to have a can with my barbecue chicken, potato salad. What else I told y'all we have in barbecue chicken, potato salad. Oh, and the beanie weenie things. Okay. Also, I was going to share with y'all, even though I do have a playlist for food that I try and tell y'all if it's good or not, I'm just going to share that in this video. Old El Paso slow cooker chipotle chicken season. It's delicious. Also, what else and then he got me some glory seasoned southern style green beans with potato. Now I know y'all think, Jenny, you got a lot of glory. No, these green beans with potatoes, I think this is just, I only have 4 cans. This make 4. You see these twos right here? These 2 right here. And I also got regular glory green beans. So I'm collecting what y'all see. Some of this stuff repeat because I'm using it. It's delicious. But I'm still, trying to get my collection on the glory products because they're really, really good. But yeah, this is what's happening over here. A medium size grocery haul. My husband, he's the grocery shopper. He's a really good grocery shopper. And his patience is getting better. He didn't yell too much this time. But anyway, yeah, I might even today, I think I'm going to slice me off about 4 pieces of the pork rib and cook that along with this barbecue chicken. We just like to eat. I'm going to season that meat up so good. We're going to be smacking. I love when the food is seasoned up so good. I just wish somebody else was over here doing it. That's the only difference. I just wish somebody else was over here doing it. Okay, do I have any delivery blues today? Um, Minor. They sent me an email talking about they changing my delivery date. I know it's somebody in that office. I bet you somebody is doing this on purpose because I have never had this many delays in my entire delivery service. I have never experienced this kind of stuff from this company, which I'm gonna have to stop paying them because their service sucks. I don't care what y'all say. I don't care what y'all think. I don't care. Some of y'all want to sugarcoat y'all disappointment in the delivery people. Go ahead on, because they going to continue to treat you like they treating you because they got contaminated brains. Some of them, not all of them. I don't care. Some of y'all people might be delivery people, but some of the people that deliver the food, they got issues. They got issues. Y'all got something to say? Leave it in the comment section. And for y'all spirit boosters, where y'all stuff go? Tell them, spirit boosters, where they go. I hear you, but let me say it so they can hear it better. Y'all, comments go in the screw you JENITA section. Y'all know, allegedly. That's where it is, right there, allegedly. There it go. That's where y'all put them comments, where y'all angry and opinionated and got something to say. But if you want to become a spirit booster, leave a sweet comment. But if you can articulate and express yourself about how disappointed you are with me and expressing my opinion about how sucking some of y'all delivery people are, please do so. And it might come through, just like I say, cleverly articulate how you gonna address me with your problem. I know what you want to say, but YouTube ain't gonna let you send it through. No, it can't come through like that. Even though some of y'all try, it ain't coming through. They won't allow it. It's bad words. You can't do that. Even though sometimes I slip up, I don't do it on purpose. It just rolls out, falls out. That's just me and my issues. But anyway, do I have a tip of the day? No, I gave y'all my tips. I shared the colored pumpkins, and that's the beautiful thing, because I know a lot of people got food allergies and stuff like that. Oh, I might got a tip today. I don't know. Don't eat too much plastic, I guess. Y'all know what I said about the plastic food. Don't eat too much plastic, but you can't be avoided. That go for you, what do y'all call vegans, whatever, vegetable eaters, whatever. I don't know why y'all want to be. I don't know. Let me say it this way. Some of y'all eat them vegetables, but why y'all try to turn y'all vegetables into something that look like meat? That I never can understand. And spirit boosters, if y'all don't get that either, please share in the comment section. Because vegetarians, they always want something to look like meat, taste like meat. What is the freaking deal with that? Go back to eating some plastic.